That was 4980, Denver Tower on that bug. Be runway 25, clear for takeoff. Yeah, 8104 on that Berkham, runway 25, clear for takeoff. Yeah, 431 Denver Tower, caution wake, turbulence heavy, Boeing 787 short final, runway 34 right, clear to land, wind 2305.
Runway 34 right, clear to land, United 431.
Alaska 1320, radar contact departure.
Radar contact, on departure, Alaska 1320.
Stop at 4980, radar contact departure.
Our departure stop at 4980.
Southwest 651, delete speeds, maintain level 230.
Level 230, delete the speeds up to 1261. Departure stop at 4980, out of 7000, finding via the,
651 now, delete speeds, maintain flight level 230.
Alright, for Southwest 651, we'll delete the speeds and climb maintain 230. Departure stop at 4980 out of 7,500, climbing via the swimmer.
Southwest 4980, clear departure to contact. Traffic's 2 o'clock, 6 miles southbound, restricted above you. And it's occasional light to moderate chop through, flight level 190.
Copy, 4980.